Hello everybody, welcome back to Mrs. Drew Food Channel. Well, today I decided to try the famous Ghana Tasty Tom Jollof mix. Guys, it took me ages to get my hands on this jollof mix, but anyway, I got it now. So I followed all the instructions from A to Z, and this is what happened. So if you want to know, keep on watching and let's get started. So it says on the packet that you need 800 grams of rice. This is 800 grams of rice. And then it doesn't say that you need vegetables, but I need my vegetable in my jollof rice. I'm sorry. So I have got my carrots, my spring onions, and I have sliced one medium-sized onion. For the seasoning, I'm going to use chicken stock and some salt. And it also says that you need to add 1 liter water. This is 1 liter. And of course, you need some oil for your jollof rice. So this is it, guys. This is the Tasty Tom Jollof mix. And honestly, I thought it was bigger. But anyway, and you need 3 of these. So now I'm going to add my oil in my cooking pot. And I have about half a cup. When the oil is hot, I'm going to add my sliced onion. I added 1, but you can add more. And then I'm going to let it saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, now it is time to add the jollof mix, and they said you need to add 3 of it. So this is the first one here, and it's funny because it looks like tomato puree, but apparently there is everything inside. There is pepper, there is onion, there are spices, everything in this small little packet. Alright dear friends, so now I am adding my second Tasty Tom Jollof mix, and you know, it started to smell like jollof rice, really. And last but not least, I am adding my third packet. Alright, now that I have done that, I am going to stir it. And as I said, I am following the instructions. Media almost say, you may fry 4 minutes. They said I should let it fry 4 minutes. So guys, I am not lying to you. I have got my phone here. You can see it. I'm setting it up to 4 minutes. Not 4 minutes and 1 second. No, 4 minutes. Now I'm going to give it a little stir. And the 4 minutes are up now. So 3, 2, 1, 0. Time's up. 4 minutes now soon. And no. So now I am going to give it another stir. And seriously, it started to look very, very good. And then the water part comes in. They said 1 liter. 1 liter means 1 liter. It's 1,000 grams. So I am adding 1 liter. Then my stock, chicken stock, my salt, and you know me, I like pepper, so I decided to add 1 tablespoon of powdered pepper. Feel free to do it or not. And then I need to stir it and let it boil. They said bring it to a boil. So this is exactly what I am going to do right away, guys. Alright, so as you can see, it is boiling, and they say add your rice, add the washed rice. So I'm say wash your rice, no, just don't add it like that. You might not get the real Tasty Tom Jollof rice. So add it, give it a good little stir, and now we are going to leave this to cook. Alright guys, so on the instructions, it doesn't say that you need to cover it, but I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so this is my jollof mix, Tasty Tom Jollof mix, and it is really starting to look very, very, very good. So I'm just going to give it a stir. You know, we don't want our jollof rice to burn. So yes, it reminds me of my own jollof rice, you know, with my own tomato. Oh, I'm about to crumble. It looks good. Okay, so I decided to add vegetables. So I have my fresh carrots, my spring onion, but you don't have to do it. You can make it plain like them if you like, but you know, I need a bit of vegetable and color to it. So I have now added it, and I am going to give it a stir. And then I'll leave it to cook, but because as you can see, it is not ready yet. And Even if it's not in the instructions, guys, you know how to cook jollof rice. You know that you need to cover it up either with foil paper, with a bag, with parchment paper. So I let it to cook for another 10-15 minutes, and now let's see how it looks like, guys. I'm so very much excited because it's my first time using this Tasty Tom. And look at this. This is nice. It's colorful. It is really what I wanted to see, what I was expecting to see. So now I'm going to give it a stir. Look at this wonderful jollof rice, guys. So I'm stirring it, and now it is almost ready to serve. Perfect. And now I'm going to give you a little close-up of my Tasty Tom jollof rice. Look at this, guys. This is wonderful. I'm so excited. It is now time to serve our rice. Look at this. Oh my god. And it smells so good in the kitchen, guys. This is a really must try. I'm very much impressed with this. I wasn't sure what to expect, but this is beyond my expectations. And this is it, guys. Look at this Tasty Tom jollof rice, and look at my chicken. By the way, I have got the recipe for this tasty chicken drumstick you are seeing here. I'll post it. Don't worry about it. So guys, until we try jollof rice, try. Don't you want to try it? Are you not attracted to it? Are you not in love with it? Hey, baby, me cry, me cut too far. But anyway, you really need to try it. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do it now, and don't forget to turn your notifications bell on. Okay, so this was my Tasty Tom jollof mix recipe. I really love it. You really need to try. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.